How to create emo account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So before creating an emo account, you need to first download and install emo application on your device. For that, you have to open up your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to type and search for emo. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this app, so you have to install it on your device. Once it's installed, you have to simply tap on open, and after that you'll be able to see this interface. Here there is a text field for entering your phone number. You have to simply enter your phone number over here, and after that you have to simply tap on tick option under the right hand side of the phone number. And if this number is okay, then you can simply tap on OK. But if you want to edit, then you can edit this number. After that, you'll be able to see the text field again where you have to enter your full name. So here you have to enter the name that you want to set on your emo. And after that, you have to tap on the tick or the right option in the right upper corner. And it will take a few seconds to go for the further process. So here you can see there is an option for setting a profile picture. You can also create your avatar, or if you don't want, then you can simply tap on the right option in the right upper corner. And after a few seconds, you can see my account has been created. Now from over here, you can chat or call with your friends or anyone. So this is how you create emo account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.